Pasay City, Philippines. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to share my first impressions of Pasay City, a vibrant urban hub in the Philippines that often gets overshadowed by more popular destinations like Manila. But let me tell you, Pasay is an underrated gem. So, let's dive in. Right off the bat, what hit me the hardest is the bustling energy here. This city never sleeps. From the moment I stepped out into the streets, the sounds of vendors calling out, the sizzling of street food, and the chatter of locals welcome you. It's an incredible mix of excitement and chaos. The friendly locals here are always ready for a good chat. Seriously, I attempted to practice my Tagalog, and they appreciated my efforts. It's such a warm atmosphere, which made me feel right at home. Now, let's talk about the food because I believe it's the heart of any culture. Another highlight has to be the rich culture and history here. Did you know Pasay City is home to the historic Baclaran Church? I was blown away when I visited this stunning church. Seeing people, both bearing and grateful, highlighted Pasay's deep spiritual roots. It's serene, it's beautiful, and it's an important landmark for many Filipinos. And honestly, who doesn't love a place with rich history? As the sun sets, Pasay truly transforms. I took a stroll along DSA Highway, and wow, the nightlife was alive. The vibrant lights, the music, and all the little bars lined up just waiting to be explored.
Pasay City, located in the National Capital Region of the Philippines, offers a vibrant mix of history, culture, and modern attractions. Here are some first impressions you might have when visiting. Historical significance. Pasay has a rich history dating back to the Kingdom of Namayan in the 13th century. It was later influenced by Spanish colonization, which left a lasting impact on its culture and architecture. Cultural hub. The city is home to significant cultural landmarks like the Cultural Center of the Philippines, the Philippine International Convention Center, and the Manila Film Center. These venues host various events and performances, showcasing Filipino arts and culture. Bustling atmosphere. Pasay is known for its lively streets, bustling markets, and vibrant nightlife. The city never seems to sleep, with numerous entertainment options, shopping malls, and dining spots. Scenic views. The sunsets over Manila Bay are particularly stunning, offering a picturesque view that attracts both locals and tourists. Modern developments. Despite its historical roots, Pasay has embraced modernity with developments like the Mall of Asia, one of the largest shopping malls in Asia, and various high-rise buildings and hotels. The SM Mall of Asia, often abbreviated as SM MOA or simply MOA, is one of the largest shopping malls in the Philippines and a major attraction in Pasay City. Here are some key highlights. Size and structure. Opening date. The mall opened on May 21, 2006. Size. It covers a massive area of approximately 589,891 square meters, 6,349,530 square feet, making it one of the largest malls in the world. Floors. The main mall buildings have 3 floors, with additional floors in the MOA Square and car park buildings. Stores and services. It houses around 663 shops, including 217 dining establishments. Attractions and features. Entertainment. The mall features an IMAX theater, an Olympic-sized ice skating rink, and a concert grounds area that hosts various events and performances. Shopping. With a wide range of local and international brands, the mall offers a diverse shopping experience. Dining. There are numerous dining options, from fast food to fine dining, catering to all tastes. Convention space. The mall provides 46,647 square meters, 100 square feet, of space for conventions and social functions. Location and accessibility. Address. It is located at Seaside Boulevard, Barangay 76, Bay City, Pasay, Metro Manila. Accessibility. The mall is easily accessible via public transportation and has ample parking space with 8,000 slots. Unique features. Manila Bay views. The mall's location offers stunning views of Manila Bay, especially during sunset. IKEA. It is home to the largest IKEA store in the world, which opened in 2021. The SM Mall of Asia is more than just a shopping destination. It's a place where you can enjoy a variety of activities and experiences. Pasay City has a variety of attractions that cater to different interests. Here are some of the main tourist spots you might want to check out. 1. SM Mall of Asia. One of the largest shopping malls in the world, it offers a wide range of shopping, dining, and entertainment options, including an IMAX theater and an Olympic-sized ice skating rink. 2. Newport World Resorts. A sophisticated complex near the airport, featuring a casino, luxury shopping, diverse dining options, and entertainment venues. 3. Mall of Asia Arena. A multi-purpose indoor arena that hosts concerts, sports events, and other large-scale gatherings. 4. The Mall of Asia Bay Area Amusement Park. An amusement park located by the bay, offering rides and attractions with a scenic view of Manila Bay. 5. Star City. An amusement park with a variety of rides and attractions suitable for all ages. 6. Runway Manila. An air-conditioned walkway bridge connecting NAIA Terminal 3 to Newport City, making it convenient for travelers. 7. Cultural Center of the Philippines, CCP. A hub for Filipino arts and culture, hosting various performances, exhibitions, and events. 8. Philippine International Convention Center, PICC. A major venue for international conferences, exhibitions, and events. Newport World Resorts is a premier entertainment and leisure destination in Pasay City, Philippines. Here are some highlights that make it special. 1. Integrated Resort. Newport World Resorts is the first integrated resort in the Philippines, combining luxury hotels, a casino, shopping, dining, and entertainment all in one place. 2. World-class hotels. The resort features several renowned hotel brands, including Marriott Hotel Manila, Hilton Manila, Sheraton Manila Hotel, Hotel Okura Manila, Holiday Inn Express Manila Newport City. These hotels offer a range of accommodations from luxury to more budget-friendly options. 3. Entertainment and events. Newport Performing Arts Theater, a state-of-the-art venue that hosts musicals, concerts, and other performances. With over 50 restaurants, Newport World Resorts offers a diverse culinary experience. You can find everything from fine dining to casual eateries, featuring both local and international cuisines. 5. Shopping. The Newport Mall features a mix of luxury and high street brands, providing a comprehensive shopping experience. 6. Accessibility. Conveniently located across from Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3, it's easily accessible for both local and international visitors. 7. Events and conventions. The resort includes the Marriott Grand Ballroom, the largest hotel ballroom in the Philippines, making it a prime location for conferences, exhibitions, and social events. Newport World Resorts offers a blend of luxury, entertainment, and convenience, making it a top destination for both tourists and locals.
So, what's my overall impression of Pasay City? Honestly, it completely exceeded my expectations. Amid the hustle and bustle of the metropolis, I felt a strong sense of community, warmth, and of course, delicious food. I came for the sights but stayed for the people. If you're ever in the Philippines, do not skip Pasay City, it has its own charm. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content from my travels.